Fifth graders, sorry I can't be with you today. I am out unexpectedly, so I apologize that I'm not there. But I want to say a big thank you to whoever is able to step into my classroom and be here to help me out today and help our class out today. So make sure you say hello and be kind, helpful, and respectful to whoever our sub is in our classroom. We should be doing our normal routines in our normal spots. My wobble stool people should be taking care of wobble stools. You know the drill. Today your learning target is probably a little bit different than ones we've been working on recently, but today you're going to explore conservation. This is always kind of an ongoing topic, especially here at Rockford, because we want to treat our environment well. That's what conservation is all about, right? Conserving things. So you can talk to yourself about what your favorite activity to do outside is. That's just fine if they are happy to have that conversation. You do have 2 goals for today. Your first goal is you are going to do a reading, and then there's going to be some questions to go along with that reading. The reading, the sub can decide how they want to do it, whether you do it all together. That would be my recommendation, is maybe having some volunteers use our student microphone to read aloud, stopping as you go to kind of talk about some of those tougher words, especially some tough 5th grade vocabulary words. So stopping along the way, kind of talking about your big ideas. Then you'll have some questions to do. You can turn it into the Turn-In Tower when you're done. It's just 8 multiple choice, so it shouldn't be all too bad. After that, you are going to have an ed puzzle. This ed puzzle is all about the old school Lorax movie. So I'm not sure if you've seen it or not, but it is always a great reminder about what conservation means, and really kind of the ongoing battle between kind of our economic growth and conservation efforts. So making sure that we are able to have wonderful lives even while keeping our nature around us beautiful and healthy and keeping our ecosystems in balance. So that is your plan for today. Headphones are at the back of the classroom, as you know. A puzzle should be on your own, listening along. So if you have any questions, I'm sure the sub will be there to help you. So thank you again to our sub for stepping in. Have a great day. I will see you when I get back. Bye.